We are right now. Through the overnight hours, there might be a few higher gusts even. And like we mentioned earlier in the show, these fires can create their own little environment. It's kind of a smaller version of how the sea breeze happens. When that warm air over the land rises, it creates a little area of low pressure and the cool, dry air comes rushing on in. And that's how you get that sea breeze happening. That's what's happening with these fires. That hot, extremely hot air rises. It's cool out. That temperature, the pressure difference creates that air to come on in and creates a very strong wind. You know, during the summer when the sea breeze kicks on in, you feel that breeze. Imagine that much more powerful. So it's going to be a very breezy evening for areas in Cape Coral. Overnight through 4:30 in the morning, we stay with 15-mile-per-hour gusts. Once we head into tomorrow during sunrise, winds stay out of the northeast and get stronger. So we'll keep with that northeasterly wind. Hopefully the fire is well contained by now, but we still have just a gusty day across Southwest Florida for you Friday. And this is going to stick around for Saturday as well. We see the winds let up into the evening and then they return for the afternoon on Saturday. And winds will stay out of the east-northeast. So anyone southwest of the Cape Coral Yacht Club is going to be smelling that smoke, especially through the evening downwards tonight. Wind gusts tonight about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And then as we head into tomorrow, it increases to 20 to 25, even about 30 once we head to about sunset. This is all because that front came on through, clearing skies into the overnight hours. A lot of sunshine for tomorrow, but the temperatures noticeably cool. 65 in Cape Coral, 66 currently in Gateway. Tomorrow morning will be another cool start, but our last cool start before we see temperatures back to average for this time of year in the morning. These are your morning lows about sunrise, about 70 degrees once we get past tomorrow morning. So if you like those cooler starts tomorrow morning, that's about it. So for tomorrow, we'll quickly warm up into the low 80s. Weather-wise, it's looking nice below average. Looking ahead, how long does this cool weather stick around? Not very long. Week 2 of the 7. So once we go beyond the 7-day forecast, week 2 looks on the warmer than average side, or better than average chances that we're going to have pretty warm days headed our way. As we head into tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, we do stay rain-free. One thing to note with strong winds out of the east, northeast can bring over just a little bit of moisture and maybe a stray shower for places like Sarasota Colony, Buckhead Ridge, or even into Clewiston. Everywhere else will be rather dry. Temperatures tomorrow morning, 65 for Lely, still in the 50s for one more morning in places like Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte. La Belle, you'll be at 62. San Carlos, 62. Estero at 62 and 64 for Iona. By the afternoon tomorrow, we're at 83 degrees. Again, another breezy day, breezy again on Saturday. We don't see rain chances really return to the forecast until potentially Monday, but generally lower than what we typically expect this time of year. That's your first alert forecast.